everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of beautiful garden landscaping design and tips for creating beautiful and functional outdoor space ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Garden landscaping design is the art of creating a beautiful and functional outdoor space. It can be as simple as adding a few plants and flowers to your backyard, or as complex as creating a full-blown landscape with walkways, patios, and water features. Within these enchanting spaces, the seamless harmony between elements and principles manifests, creating a symphony of beauty and tranquility. Join us, dear readers of Homes Decor Designs, as we embark on a journey to unravel the magic behind garden landscaping design. Prepare to be inspired, educated, and captivated by the ethereal landscapes that await. No matter what your budget or skill level, there are a few basic principles of garden landscaping design that you can follow to create a space that you'll love. The elements of landscape design. Actually, there are 5 basic elements of landscape design. 1. Plants. Plants are the foundation of any garden. They provide color, texture, and interest, and they can help to define the space. 2. Hardscaping. Hardscaping refers to non-living elements in the garden, such as walkways, patios, and walls. Hardscaping can be used to create structure and define the space, and it can also be used to add visual interest and functionality. 3. Water features. Water features can add a touch of elegance and tranquility to any garden. They can also help to improve the air quality and reduce noise pollution. 4. Lighting. Lighting can be used to create a sense of atmosphere and mood in the garden. It can also be used to make the space safer at night. 5. Accessories. Accessories, such as statues, birdhouses, and wind chimes, can add personality and interest to the garden. The principles of landscape design. There are 3 basic principles of landscape design. 1. Unity. Unity is created when all of the elements in the garden work together to create a cohesive whole. This can be achieved by using similar colors, textures, and shapes throughout the garden. 2. Variety. Variety is created by using different elements in the garden. This can help to keep the space interesting and prevent it from becoming too monotonous. 3. Balance. Balance is created when the different elements in the garden are evenly distributed. This can be achieved by using symmetrical or asymmetrical designs. How to make a beautiful landscape design? The best way to make a beautiful landscape design is to start with a plan. This will help you to visualize the finished product and make sure that all of the elements work together. Once you have a plan, you can start to put it into action. Be sure to choose plants that are appropriate for your climate and that will thrive in the conditions in your garden. You should also consider the size of your space when choosing plants. Don't forget to add hardscaping elements to your garden. These can help to define the space and add visual interest. When you're finished, take a step back and admire your work. You've created a beautiful space that you'll enjoy for years to come. How to make a landscape garden for small spaces? If you have a small space, don't despair. You can still create a beautiful landscape garden. Here are a few tips. 1. Choose plants that are compact and won't outgrow their space. 2. Use vertical space. Trellises, hanging baskets, and window boxes can all be used to add greenery to a small space. 3. Choose plants with different textures and colors. This will help to create a sense of depth and interest. 4. Don't forget about hardscaping. Even a small space can benefit from a walkway, patio, or water feature. 5. With a little planning and creativity, you can create a beautiful landscape garden in even the smallest of spaces. And here, these the top 10 best garden landscaping design ideas. 1. Zen-inspired serenity. Transform your garden into a Zen retreat with minimalist design, water features, and carefully curated plants. 2. Cottage charm. Embrace the whimsical allure of a cottage garden, complete with vibrant flowers, climbing vines, and meandering pathways. 3. Mediterranean delight. Transport yourself to the sun-soaked landscapes of the Mediterranean with terracotta accents, fragrant herbs, and lush greenery. 4. Modern simplicity. Embrace the sleek lines and clean aesthetics of modern design, incorporating minimalist plantings and geometric shapes. 5. Tropical paradise. Infuse your garden with the vibrant colors and exotic foliage of a tropical oasis, creating an escape from the everyday. 6. Wildlife haven. Attract local fauna by incorporating native plants, birdhouses, and water sources, fostering a harmonious coexistence with nature. 7. Japanese tranquility. Embrace the art of Japanese garden design, with its symbolic rock formations, carefully raked gravel, and serene Zen elements. 8. Contemporary elegance. Combine modern design with classic touches, creating a sophisticated outdoor space with symmetrical plantings and elegant hardscaping. 9. Eclectic harmony. Unleash your creativity by mixing various design styles, textures, and colors to craft a one-of-a-kind garden that reflects your personality. 10. Vertical wonder. Utilize vertical spaces to their fullest potential, incorporating living walls, trellises, and hanging planters to create a lush and space-efficient garden. Garden landscaping design is a great way to add beauty and functionality to your outdoor space. With a little planning and effort, you can create a garden that you'll love for years to come. As we conclude this exploration of garden landscaping design, we encourage you to embark on your own transformative journey. Unlock the potential of your outdoor spaces, infusing them with the magic of nature's artistry. Whether you have acres of land or a cozy balcony, remember that beauty lies in the harmony between elements, the application of principles, and the unwavering spirit of creativity. Let your garden become a testament to your unique style and a sanctuary where nature and design intertwine. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of beautiful garden landscaping design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.